You can now easily share or export your campaign template with another LinkedIn account on your current WeConnect plan or to another WeConnect account. With the Share Your Campaigns feature, you now have the power to share it with your team members, colleagues, or clients, save time, and quickly set up a similar campaign with their own list. To share or export, click the Campaigns menu from the left side menu bar, and on the Campaigns table, select the campaign you want to share. Once the campaign is selected, you will see the Share and Download button appear on top right. To share it, just click on the Share button, and then select the LinkedIn account you want to share it with from the drop-down window. Hit Share, and the campaign template will now appear on the selected LinkedIn account's Campaign Manager table. To download the campaign template, please click on the Download button, and the campaign template file will be downloaded in JSON format. To upload the campaign template file, please first switch to the LinkedIn account in your plan or login to another WeConnect account that you want to share it with. Switch to the appropriate LinkedIn account. The campaign template can be imported within a few clicks. Go to the settings from your left sidebar menu and click the Import Data tab menu. Select the data type as Campaign and import the file. Once imported, the campaign template will appear on your campaigns table.